Welcome, dear students. In this second unit, we are discussing the construction working principle and applications of various compounding equipments and ancillary equipments. Now, in this model, we will be discussing the construction working principle and applications of ancillary equipment called mold temperature controller. This is a very important ancillary equipment used in process industries, particularly injection molding industries, where when we are processing some engineering plastics, the mold temperature to be maintained, the mold to be heated, or in some cases, depending on the material, the mold may be cooled. So this heating and cooling, the temperature of that mold to be controlled precisely in order to get the perfect product. So we will discuss now how the mold temperature can be maintained by using an instrument called a mold temperature controller. We will discuss the construction working principle and application of this mold temperature controller. Mold temperature controllers, it is important to control the temperature of the mold or die, particularly in extrusion process, to get the quality product. In order to get the quality product, as I mentioned, we need to maintain the mold temperature precisely. The molten plastic is forced into the mold. The thermal energy generated during the melt phase of the process should be removed in a controlled manner. For that purpose, mold temperature controller is used. The mold has to be properly designed and machined to circulate the cooling medium. The cooling medium used to control the mold temperature depends on the temperature required. Now, we shall discuss elaborately about the construction of this mold temperature controller. It consists of oil supply, this is the oil supply, and oil outlet, this is the oil outlet, oil supply and oil outlet. Also it has pressure regulating valve, this is the pressure regulating valve, this is the valve, and it has oil return, chilled water outlet, this is the outlet, chilled water outlet, the upper one, and the lower one is chilled water inlet, and cooling fan for electrical box. Here it consists of a cooling fan for electrical box, and this is the electrical box, and it consists of a oil tank. This is the oil tank, and the electrical heaters. This is the electrical heater, and the oil pump. It consists of a oil pump. Oil cooler, this is the cooler, oil cooler. And a control panel. This is a control panel. So it consists of oil supply, oil outlet, pressure regulating valves, chilled water outlet, chilled water inlet, and cooling fan and electrical box, electrical heaters, oil pump, oil cooler, and control panel.